All right, guys, I'm here in front of the Ram. My most asked question out of anything on my channel is, how do the TRAKMOTIVE CV axles hold up? Are they worth it? Are they good for the money? And I'm gonna give you that answer today because I need to answer it because I just get that question so much. So as most of you know, I'm running the heavy duty TRAKMOTIVE CV axles on my 2010 Dodge Ram. I just wanna show you what my truck is. So if you haven't seen it before, it's on 37s, 3-inch body lift, Bilstein 5100s all around, custom armor, fender armor, sliders, dovetailed rear end with like a custom spare tire mount. So it's highly modified. And the reason I'm telling you that is because it has massive tires on it. And the reason I'm mentioning my tire size is because it does make a difference. Now, I've had 3 TRAKMOTIVEs. I broke one within the first year of owning it, and I was kind of frustrated, but how I broke it was I was in 4-wheel drive. I fully locked my 37s, fully steering locked, turned as tight as I could, tried to do a donut just to get off the mud flats. And when I did that, it just went bunk, popped immediately. I've already broken one. I have 2 in right now. They've been awesome and I love them. Some tips, you guys, is if you have 37s, do not floor it when your steering's locked. I learned that the hard way. Since now that I know that, I always play it super cool when the steering's locked. And you just go slow. Hasn't been an issue, and I've had these on now for like 2 years, and they've been great. I've had no problems with them at all. Besides that, if you turn your wheels and gas it, they'll snap. That also being said, this is a Hemi, so there's so much power going to these massive wheels, and then the first thing that's gonna go is gonna be your TRAKMOTIVE CVs. And I've thought about going even heavier duty, but then the next thing that's gonna break is my diff. You're just moving the breaking point. So to answer this question straight on, I think they're definitely worth it. I think they're worth the money, and I am going to get another one as an extra. Just tell the cow to chill for a sec. I am going to be buying another TRAKMOTIVE CV axle to keep as a spare in my truck, just in case something happens, because sometimes you do have to be at full lock and make maneuvers. Like I said, guys, this is a hardcore wheeling rig. 37s, Hemi. We've taken this thing through anything you could throw at it, and the TRAKMOTIVE CV axles hold up really well. If you are doing less wheeling than this and you just want to put them on your truck, they're gonna last so long. But if you're wheeling like hard, just watch how you lock them, watch the power you put to them. But other than that, guys, I would recommend the CV axles. To answer all your questions, buy them. They're so worth it. They've only let me down once, and it was partially me not knowing really what happens when you have massive tires and lots of power. All right, guys, that's a super short video just to answer this question. I hope that helps you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the TRAKMOTIVE CV axles if you have them on. I absolutely love them. If you like the Ram, make sure you watch the wheeling content. It's absolutely insane. I've been wheeling this thing for like 3 years. It's all on the channel. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.